What's your birthday?
23rd
Of
of January 1928. 90 years old.
Oh my gosh. You look great.
Yeah.
Where did you go to school?
Lakewood High School. I lived in Cottage Park.
Okay.
There was in Cottage Park, we're near the big tree. I worked. I didn't have time to. You ever hear of the stock farm?
Yeah.
Well, I used to work there.
The stock farm was
The horses on the top of the hill there,
right?
on Fairmont Avenue.
Who owned the stock farm?
Well, Crawford Barger, Selstrom, and Justice Robert Jackson. I knew him.
Did you? How did you know him?
Well, I took care of his daughter's horse back then.
Do you remember the horse's name?
Renee.
Renee.
Yeah.
What kind of horse was it?
Well, just a riding horse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what was your job at the stock farm?
Oh, brush him, clean the stalls, whatever it took, saddle horses. And then I also, in the wintertime, I plowed snow with a horse.
Really?
Back then, we used to do it with a horse, not with a tractor. Yep. The horse knew where to go anyway. We had a route, see, and all you had to do was just stay with them.
Did you have any interaction with Robert Jackson's daughter?
Well, just to saddle her horse, not too much.
Her name was Mary.
Well, that sounds right.
Mary Jackson. Did you ever meet Justice Jackson?
Oh, yeah. A couple times. He was a busy man. Yeah. See, he boarded 3 horses there. Happy was one of them, and Renee was the other, and I can't remember what the other one was. I think we had 3 of his horses that he boarded there.
And again, you were sort of a groomsman, or?
Yeah, just a 13-year-old kid. That's it.
Fascinating. Do you remember him riding the horses, or?
Oh, I don't think I ever see him ride on.
Yeah.
He didn't ride. It was his daughter. Was in the horse business.
Yeah. Yeah.
All he did pay the bill.